Namaste बच्चों, I JV Nishu Sharma, Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Department of Science and Technology. In the previous video, we discussed about the DES, Data Encryption Standard. In this video, we describe simplified data encryption standard, that is DES, SDES, which is a simple version of the DES algorithm. And it is also similar to the DES algorithm, but in a smaller algorithm, it has a few parameters than DES. We can see in the example, it was made for the educational purposes so that understanding DES, data encryption algorithm, would become simpler. So it is a block cipher that takes a block of plain text and convert it into the ciphertext. It takes a block of 8 bit. Now it is a symmetric key cipher. They use the same both key for the encryption and the decryption. In the last video, we discussed what is symmetric key and what is the same key for encryption and decryption. Suppose आपको एक message send करना है किसी को. Suppose you are the Bob and you can send a message to the Alice. So with the help of encryption, you can send your message, encrypt your message, and with the help of decryption, Alice read your messages. In this article, we are going to demonstrate key generation for SDS encryption and decryption algorithm. We take a random 10-bit key and produce two 8-bit key, which will be used for encryption and decryption. So what is key generation concept? In the key generation algorithm, we accept only 10-bit key and convert it into the 8-bit key. This key is shared between both sender and the receiver. Now we can see that with the help of example. Here is the example P10. Let me check. This is the 10-bit key. This is the step for P10, as well as P8, P7, P6, P5, P4, and so on. Now this is our 10 key, which is divided into 5 and 5. This is LS1 and this is LS2. Now again it is divided by 5 and 5 because 10 is used for P10, but 10 is also used for P8 and 10 is also used for P7 and so on. Right, now P8, this is the LS1, and now P8 is also divided into LS1 and LS2, but we take LS1 and LS2. In this step we take LS2. So LS2 is, now we again this process will still work until the last value. Right, now in this key algorithm, in the key generation, we use three function: permutation P10, permutation P8, and the left shift. Now this is the working which we'll do in the example K1, K2, K3, K4 to K10, and K3 to K6, K10 to again shifting. In permutation P8, K1 to K10, but we are using only K8, K6 to K8, then K5 to K9. Okay, and the last shift is A B C D E, and the LS1 is B C D E A. लेफ्ट को हम शिफ्ट कर देते हैं, राइट, सेम एज LS2. LS2 मीन्स जो लेफ्ट में एक और था उसको भी हमने शिफ्ट कर दिया बी में. मतलब इस तरीके से हम A B C D है, अगर हम LS1 करेंगे तो A शिफ्ट हो जाएगा राइट में, LS2 है तो B भी शिफ्ट हो जाएगा राइट में, LS3 होगा तो C भी शिफ्ट हो जाएगा राइट में, अगर L4 है तो D भी शिफ्ट हो जाएगा. Clear? Now step first, we accept a 10-bit key and permutate the bits by putting them in the P10 table. जैसे कि हमने यहाँ पे लिया है की 10100000010. That is the value of K1, K2, K3, K4, K5, K6, K7, K8, K9, and the K10. The value is K1 is 1, K2 is 0, K3 is 1, K4 is 0, K4 is 0, K5 is 0, K6 is 0, and the K9 is 1, and the K10 is 0. Right? So P10 permutation is K1, K2 to K10. So K3, K4, K5, K2, K7, K4, K10. I think you know about the K3, K5. This is our left shift key. Now we divide the key into two halves of 5 bit each. So one is the 1000 and R is the 01100. What is L? L is your left side and R is your right side. Right? Now we turn to the third step. Third step will be, now we apply only one bit left shift on each key. Suppose you are in the A, then you shift in the B, then the step will be 1 L is equal to 00001 and the right will be 11000. Clear? Now we move to the fourth step. Fourth step will be combine both key after third step. First we divide into 5, 10 will be divided into 2, left and right, and left will be shift by the shift key, left shift key. Okay, now fourth, combine both key after third step and permutate the bits by putting them in the P8 table. The output of the given table in the first key K1 is LS1. Combined, we get, अब जो हमने वैल्यूज निकाली थी लेफ्ट एंड राइट, अब इसको हम क्या करेंगे, लेफ्ट की वैल्यू थी हमारी 0001 एंड राइट की वैल्यू थी 1100। अब हम क्या करते हैं कि इन थर्ड स्टेप को कंबाइंड कर देंगे, तो हमारी वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी 00001 11000। क्लियर? Now the P8 permutation is P8 K1 K2 K3 to K10 and K6 3 K9. Clear? You got it my point? Now after P8 we get key 1. 1 will be 101000100. Clear? Now we switch to the fifth step. The fifth step will be the output obtained from step third is 2 halves after 1 bit left should be undergo the process of the 2 bit. Step third will be 1 left equals to 0001 and the right equals to 1100. After 2 bit, L will be 00100 and the R is 0011. And the step 6 is combine the two halves obtained from step 6 and permute them by the putting them in the P table A. So the final output is key 1 is 10100 and the key 2 is 0100. So that is your small SDES. Now we discuss in the next video. If you have any query and any doubt, then message me on the comment box. Thank you for watching us. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University.